Assalamu alaikum class, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and enjoying good health at home. Here is a new video for you and this video is related to maths class. So let's learn counting with me. Today we will learn about 1616 to 2020. Look here is a number for you. This number called 1616. One is added with number 6, so it's called together 1616. And the next number is 1717. If we will add one number to number 7, it's called 1717. And here is again a new number for you, 1818, 1919. If one will add with number 9, so it's called 1919. 2020. Here is a number 2020. If two number will add with 0, then it's called 2020. So dear student, you have to write this number on your notebook as well. And whose student book pages is incomplete. जिनके pages complete नहीं है, you have to write it on your book. So look at your this book page number 666. Here is number is given in first row, second row, third row is blank and fourth row is also blank. You have to trace this number 1 to 2020 and again you have to write it in one row 1 to 1010 and in next row 1111 to 2020. Okay, so complete. One more page is here for you. You have to complete all also this page. Here is number is given, missing number you have to complete it. 1 to 2020. 1 is written, 2 number is you have to write it and 3 is again written here. You have to write 4, 5, 6 is again written here. You have to write 7 number. 8 as well written here. You have to write 9. So like this you have to complete all this page. So complete it. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.